Hi, this is Amy from Mimi Waterjet. This month we have 3 robotic waterjet cutting systems. Now let's see, the first one is ABB floor mount cutting system. The system cuts Nissan floor mat. It can cut 2 materials at the same time. Now let's see the simulation. It can meet mass production. And the second one is the ceiling mount ABB cutting system. The system with rotary cutting table is for BYD instrument panel cutting. So the system equipped with the 90,000 psi high pressure intensifier pump to cut hard material. And the third one is the ceiling mount with the overhead structure cutting system. The system equipped with ABB 2600 Robotic 2 robot arm. So it can realize the high-speed cutting, it can realize the mass production. It's for business car instrument panel cutting. And the special advantage is the rotary table is tilting table. So when the operator loads the material, it can automatically load the material on the table.